Thanks for joining for another behind the scenes with Lawnzcapes. We are here in the beautiful Naples Park actually. And we got a call from a customer who just bought this house and the yard is a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up for them. So we're gonna be trimming some of this. Definitely cleaning all of this up. We're gonna be mowing. We're gonna be trimming the palm trees. Trimming these hanging roots, or I'm sorry, hanging branches. Same here. They want to keep the vines, so we're keeping that, but we're gonna clean here a little bit just to make it look nicer. To the front, trim this a little bit, and we're gonna be mowing, weed whacking. We're gonna spray for weeds in all of these areas here in the front. And you can see the difference between the neighbors' grass and their grass here. Oof, very tall. And here we are in the front. Not too bad here in the front. We're gonna clean a little bit over there and a little plant over there. Again, thanks for joining. I appreciate you watching.
Few moments later.
Okay, part 2. Property cleanup in Naples, and we just finished. Let me show you. Let's turn this around. So now you can see actual plants over there and not weeds. Trimmed a little tree over there, give some shape over here. Now our grass is shorter than the neighbors. And then let me show you here on the side. All of that area right here was pretty overgrown. So we got it all nice and cleaned up. We trimmed these arecas back a little bit so the homeowners can walk through with no problem. Same thing with this little tree here. And then we just trimmed this area a little bit so it looks cleaner. This homeowner wanted to keep the vines. They're trying to hide that fence. Trim that tree a little bit, lift it up. And then this tree right here had a bunch of branches that basically they will hit you in the face if you walk through them. Trim that over there. And of course we got everything mowed. Picked up as much debris from here as we could. The bark from the tree. We mulched most of it with the machine, the big stuff we picked up. And we are all set. Another happy customer. We are excited to have you watching these videos. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. And if you need landscaping, lawn maintenance, 239-289-6338. And that is Lawnzcapes. See you in the next one.